Doesn't matter if you're in CS ET, CS Executive, or CS Professional, these 5 tips are going to be a game changer for you. Tip number 1 is going to be writing practice for sure, because CS में कहते हैं थ्योरी पेपर्स आते हैं, थ्योरी सब्जेक्ट ज्यादा। तो ABCD अगर पूछा है अगर एग्जामिनर ने, तो आप आंसर के अंदर XYZ नहीं लिखोगे, आप ABC लिखकर ही आओगे, एंड राइटिंग प्रैक्टिस इज something which saves you over there. Tip number 2 is going to be re-revising and rereading and going through previous year questions again and again and again. See, it's very important because, questions are certainly repeated in CS examinations, and even if they're not repeated, they prepare you for the ultimate final examination, which you're going to be handling on yourself. And I think PYQ से अच्छा practice करने का तरीका और कोई नहीं हो सकता है professional exams में. Tip 3 is going to be something which people don't like usually, but solve more of numericals in those subjects which numericals will be asked. For example, corporate finance का है, valuation का part है, इनके अंदर numericals जो आते हैं basically इन्हीं दो के अंदर आते हैं. You have to practice numericals by heart, ताकि at least वहाँ पे आप marks lose ना करो, क्योंकि I'm telling you exams में numericals बहुत easy आते हैं, and थोड़े practice से आपको अच्छे से आप you're able to manage it in exams, and numericals के marks bonus होते हैं guys. Tip 4 is going to be your presentation skills. See, आपने सुना होगा marks of moderation जो मिलते हैं CS exams के अंदर. It's basically because of presentation. So what I do is, people do not usually recommend this. वो चाहते हैं कि आपका पहला आंसर बहुत अच्छा हो, तो write your best answer first in your answer copy. But I feel कि question number 1 से लेके question number 6 का chronology आप follow करो answer writing में. So that will be, I think, more fruitful for you, and it will help you gain marks of moderation अगर आपकी writing भी अच्छी है, presentation भी अच्छा है, plus अगर आपने chronology में questions को attend किया है. So I think 2 marks of moderation you can easily score that. Tip number 5 and the last tip will be to underline your keywords in your answer sheet, because that actually impresses the examiner or the checker, and also to maintain speed from the very start of solving a question paper. You have to make sure that you attend 100% of your question paper, which is very 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 important to score good marks. That is what I feel, especially open book में तो आपको 100% attend करना ही है. So all the best for your exams guys. और कोई डाउट हो तो मुझे नीचे comments में पूछो, and next video किस पे चाहिए ये भी बता दो. See you then.